Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I got some white Galaxy Buds Plus right here, and y'all already know that I got all the different colors right here, like the red Buds Plus, I got the white Buds, I got the black Buds, and then I got the blue Buds Plus. But I want to go and check out the white Buds Plus because, well, that came with my Galaxy book again, so let's get into it. Alright, so yeah, I know you was probably expecting me to go over to the unboxing table after that intro, but nope, not today. We're gonna just unbox it here. But alright, let's just go ahead and do this real quick because I just want to do a quick unboxing on these. So yeah, like I said, when you order a Galaxy book, guess right now you can actually get some free Galaxy Buds, and this is what I got right here. Yes, I did get these for my Galaxy book too, and no, you don't get 2 free ones with your Galaxy book. Basically, I gotta get mine's exchanged, and I gotta go and send back one of these colors. I don't know yet. I'm probably gonna send this back. But yeah, so we got Buds Plus here, Samsung logo. We got the white Buds here, and it should be like a shinier case and everything. On the left side, we just got Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. On the bottom, we don't really got nothing. On the side, we don't got nothing. On the back, we just got some info here, like 11 hours playtime, 2-way speakers for rich sound. On the bottom, we just got my info. On the right side, we don't got nothing, and on the back, we got some info for the Buds. So we got 11 hours of playtime. We got 2-way speakers for rich sound. We have triple mics for clear voice call, and then we got Qi compatible wireless charger. And then we got Bluetooth 5 and sound by AKG, and these actually run for $150 right now. You can still get the original Galaxy Buds, and I think they cost like $130, or maybe they brought the price down, I don't know. But yes, that's pretty much it for the box. Let's go and crack into this real quick. You know we gotta go ahead and bust out that unboxing knife like that. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this real quick. And bang. Alright, so we're all good now. Let's go ahead and get up into this box real here. What? Real here? No, real quick. Alright, so we got the white Buds Plus here, and like I said, it's in a shinier case right here, so let's go and bust into these real quick. Alright, Samsung, you kind of trolling me right now, but alright, so there we go. We got the white Buds Plus in a shinier case here than like the original Buds. So you can see the difference right there. This is more like a matte finish, and this is just more of a glossy finish because that's what it is. And the looks of them is pretty much exactly the same. Now let's go and crack into the rest of the box real quick, and over here we just have our ear tips, and yep, we got a charger up in here. So we got USB-A to USB-C, not USB-C to USB-C like a lot of these newer Galaxies these days. Alright, so that's that, and yeah, so over here we got our usual books and stuff. I'm pretty sure, let's go ahead and bust into this real quick. And in here, yep, looking like we just have our usual books and stuff. What we do with that, throw it to the side. And alright, so let's just go ahead and open these real quick and see what we get on the animation real quick. So we do got some charge on here, and we got a little bit of a color here on these Buds Plus. I didn't expect that. So that's nice, and yeah, you can see right there we got the white Buds Plus, and then we got that same little colorful look right there. And then even the case is white on that animation. So basically, whatever Buds you get, whatever color you get, it's gonna correspond with what shows on your phone, your tablet. So I'll go and show you that right now. So we got these red Buds Plus right here, and they should be showing red here in a minute. I don't know why it's taking longer than usual, but yeah, you can see right there, even the inside was black, so that was dope. And then we got these white Buds here, just the originals, and they should be showing as white. So let me go and close that real quick, and it should be showing up in a minute. And okay, so we just get a generic animation. I forgot about that. Alright, so let me go and open these blue Buds Plus, and yeah, you can see right there, blue again. And then we got the black one, so let's see if that shows anything. Alright, so yeah, it's just showing a little generic picture for the regular Buds. But for the Buds Plus, you're gonna get that cool animation and everything, but for the regular Buds, you don't. So, I mean, it is what it is. But alright, y'all, that's gonna be pretty much it for the white Buds Plus. Did you like this? Let me know in the comments below, and do you want some of these, and what color would you get? Cause let's go and put these side by side real quick with the rest of them. So we got the Buds Plus here in the front, and you can see they already get pretty dirty, but we got the red Buds Plus, we got the white Buds Plus, and then we got the blue Buds Plus. Then I got my black regular Buds and my white regular Buds. Now let me go and open these up real quick. And then yeah, that's what you're getting with all the Galaxy Buds right here. So I actually think these black Buds Plus actually look good in this red case here with the black inside, so that would look pretty dope in my opinion. But alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go and get out of here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on social media at DecentTech on Instagram and Twitter. I'm also on Facebook too, but that's where I'm most active, is on Instagram and Twitter. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I got for y'all, so thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one, and stay safe, stay inside, you know the whole deal and everything. Stay away from the coronavirus. You don't want that. Alright, yeah, peace out. And oh yeah, dope quarantine content on the way. I think I already posted the Galaxy Book Flex unboxing because, well, I want to get that out early. But yeah, so that's all I got for y'all, so peace out.